This is a 2010 Chevy Corvette, the C6 with the 6.2. We just installed a axle back dual exhaust system with Flowmaster 2-chamber mufflers out to some 3.5-inch dual black tips. As you can see, it is all stock up front. Factory cats on there. Customer had some straight pipes on there. Another shop put on there. It was a little too loud. It was definitely a lot more of a rumble. This is definitely a much deeper, throatier tone. Let's see what it sounds like.